Welcome back. You're watching DXB today. We are moving away from menopause to my next favorite M word, music. All right, now before we let you go, let's give you a quick reminder of our socials. YouTube, if you'd like to watch any of our previous episodes, all you need to do is search for Dubai One.
We also have our Instagram at Dubai One and our hashtag DXB today. So if anything interesting is going on in and around the city, don't forget to keep us in the loop. Also, don't forget we are live every night, both on your TV and online at dubai1.ae at 8:30 p.m.
Tune in on Monday as we give you the lowdown on the latest beauty trends for this season as we welcome this year's Beauty World Middle East. And for now, we're heading to the fridge for tonight's performance from Vonné. Enjoy and good night.
Broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can't find the fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out and move mountains. We gon' walk it out and move mountains. And I'll rise up, rise like the day. I'll rise up, rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again.